Students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newton. Children, today's lesson family teaching points or teaching contents, meaning of the family, characteristic of family, types of family, and characteristics of joint family. Children, what's the meaning of family? Family means the living together of husband and wife with children. So this is family. Who is created? Man has formed many social institutions to fulfill his basic needs. Family is the most important one, though family is a small institution also. It is the basic institution of the society. All the activities of the society are conducted on the basic of the family. The members of the family are members of the social institution also. Members of the family or the members of the social institution also. By understanding the meaning and characteristic of the family. The word family derived from the Latin word famulus, which means to serve. By this we can come to know that there are also other members along with father, mother and children in the ancient families. Many generation is there. Today the other members are not the family members. Now only father, mother and their children, one or two children. Sometimes some adopted children also is there, not own children, that is adopted children. The relationship of the family members is determined by kinship. The family includes marriage, kinship or adoption also. Children, these overall marriages or kinship members live under in the same house according to their status: husband, wife, father, mother, son and daughter, brother and sister. So perform this role to create culture. Family means the living together of husband and wife with children or without children for a long time. This is family. The main base of the family is kinship and the emotions related to it. The family, apart from nurturing children and procreation, involves itself in the process of socialization of its members so that they can be part of the longer society. Some family members can conduct it and can understand social behavior, dressing, rituals and other issues of its members. So all are imitated, especially children's. What is the our family members can do the work or cultured behavior, all the. What is the characteristic of the family? We are understanding the family is compared to the most important family. Can give the importance to the family. Family is universal. Yes, children, family is universal. It is various in accordance to the special geographical nature and time period. The family is found in all the societies. Usually families follow the fixed pattern like marriage, nurturing, kinship and property rights. Generally, the members who belongs to the particular family resides in the same places and same roof also. All the family members can living only one house. So this is family is universal. All the behavior, all the character is in our family. Second point, it is the basic unit for all social activities. Yes, children, every activities of the social institution start from family. Politically, economically, educational wise, several other activities of the society begin from the family. All the members participate in the important activities of the local community. Nowadays, so there is increased complexity of the social life, many functions of the family members assigned the various other social institutions. So next point, continuous responsibility and social accountability. Family teaches its members how to behave, how to discharge the specific responsibilities, how to give the harmoniously with the neighbors, how to give respect to elders, youngers, how to participate in the society's responsibilities, work, and educates about few social responsibilities. It creates how to keep the drinking, for example, how to keep the drinking water sources clean. Next, fourth point, bringing up and nurturing. The family creates a basic rights and responsibilities with regard to the children. So, can protect our elders, youngers, and creates way to nurturing, and literates can give the education also. What is our duty of the family? To take care elders during their old age, grandfather or grandmother. That is also we are learn in this family members. Next point, teach social behavior. Yes, children, family only teach social behavior. The childhood or adolescence, very important stages in the process of socialization. The child learn its mother tongue in the family. That is a basic education. First, understand the social life around it through the mastered mother tongue. Children develop as per the social situation around the family. So, our neighbors, what's the behavior, which language can interact or talking, or peer groups also. Small children first observe what's the behavior, all are so friends, childhood, adolescent, elders, all the old age people behavior first children can observe. Next point, it instructs the tradition. The family includes several generations. It introduces the kinship, outline the relationship between grandfather, grandmother, father and mother, and siblings. All the elders teach that grandparents make first generation. This is the first generation. Next, father and mother. So that is the second generation. Children for the third generation. Grandfather, grandmother, first generation. Second, father, mother. Third, children. So that is instruction, the tradition. The family, father, mother, and children is called a second generation family. Family that includes grandparents, parents, and children is called a third generation. The family that has grandparents, children, and grandchildren is called a extended family. Extended family, 3 to more generation people. How many types of family? Types of family: matriarchal family, patriarchal family, and modern nuclear family. Our society, so most of the people, matriarchal family is not there. Only patriarchal family. Our society can given the status only patriarchal. But 3 types of families is there. First one, matriarchal family. In matriarchal family, the right of the property and successorship belongs to the woman. So only woman's only rights of the property passes on from the mother to daughter, elder daughter. Matriarchy is practiced among some communities in the coastal areas of Karnataka. It is found among the Nayars of Kerala And among some tribes in northeast, in nutshell, matriarchy means mother centered family system. Mother only have rights to property, all the decision, that is mother only can take care of the family members, that is matriarchal family. Patriarchal family, the patriarchal family, father is the head of the family, the property and other rights are centered around men. The patriarchal family, married women live in the resides of their husband in this family system. The elder son has to prominent role in religious ceremony. The patriarchal families were present in the ancient society, Greece, Roman, India, China, all the other places. Now also only all over the India and the other countries patriarchal family, most of them. Last one, modern nuclear family. So nuclear family, only one generation people live together, that is nuclear family, father, mother and their children, that is nuclear family. Family had consist of father, mother, their unmarried children as members is called a nuclear family. The nuclear families have increased in modern society. Individuality, so is the main characteristic of nuclear family. Individuality, focus on individual achievements, concept of individual happiness, changing in value system with regard to the rights of the property, progress in the areas of science and technology, rapid urbanization, democratic values and concept of the equality and many other things have contributed to the rise of nuclear families. So recently many nuclear families, only all the family members especially can give the importance to the nuclear family. What is the features of nuclear family? Small in size, simple social control, more freedom to the members, favors modern technology, complexity. So this is the main features of the nuclear family. Joint family. Joint family, it normally consists of grandfather, grandmother, their children and their grandchildren, great grandchildren, and in some situation the members belong to extend two generation, two or three generation also. They all shared food prepared, all the work, so you can share any religious ceremony, festivals also can celebrate it jointly, only celebrated. What is the characteristic of the giant family? Large in size. Yes, children. Giant family means 2 to 3 generation people is there. That's why large in size. Members are more in the giant family because it consists of people of 2 or more generation under the same roof. So it is large in size. Second point, coordination and cooperation. Yes, many people is there. That's why coordination and cooperation is most important. The members of the joint family cooperate in all activities of the day-to-day life. Elders members supervise the families as a head. He takes some decision also. Sometime can share the feelings also, discussing the any matter, and we see the participation of all the members in all ceremonies and activities, festival celebration, so all the activities. The divisions of work based on the age, sex and difficulty level of the work. Can distribution only age and capability. The work also can allotted, division wise can allotted the work. That is coordination and cooperation is most important in joint family. Residencies and kitchen. So 2 to 3 generation people is there. Member of the joint family normally reside together under the same roof, though the members reside separately for various reasons, profession, work, education. They continue to associate with the main family with various religious rituals, festivals, and practice. Members eat the food prepared in the same kitchen, work together, eat together, all the work, only one roof, and all are happy to live in only one house. Next point, religion. The member of the joint family believe in the same religion and practice. Their worship and religious belief are common in nature. Next point, self-sufficient unit. Joint family is a self-sufficient unit. It satisfies all needs of family members. So last point is structure of authority. Children, the senior member of the joint family are interested with the authority and responsibility. All the responsibilities, look after, supervising, all the handing over the authority is based on the seniority in the family. Who is a headed person can transfer the work also and responsibility also. So this is joint family characteristics. Children, I am give the notes. Please complete the classwork.